To integrate SendPulse Mailing List with Shopify, you can follow these steps. Log in to your SendPulse account. You can use the link in the description to try SendPulse. In your SendPulse account, navigate to Account Settings or a similar section where you can manage your API keys. Generate a new API key if you don't have one already. Copy this key as you'll need it later. Log into your Shopify admin panel. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for the SendPulse app. Install the SendPulse app in your Shopify store. Once the app is installed, open it. You'll be prompted to connect to your SendPulse account. Follow the instructions to connect by entering your API key. After the connection is established, you'll need to map the data from Shopify to SendPulse. This usually includes selecting which customer information, such as name, email, etc., you want to sync between Shopify and SendPulse. Depending on your requirements, you may want to set up automation triggers. For example, you might want to send a welcome email when a customer subscribes to your mailing list through Shopify. Before going live, it's a good idea to test the integration to ensure that data is syncing correctly between Shopify and SendPulse. Once you're satisfied with the integration and everything is working as expected, you can make your mailing list live. Regularly check the integration to ensure that the data continues to sync properly. If you make any changes to your Shopify store or SendPulse account settings, review the integration to ensure it remains intact. By following these steps, you should be able to integrate SendPulse Mailing List with your Shopify store effectively. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try both of these platforms.